Here I am at the beginning of creating a WordPress website, my local environment, and the first thing I have to do is install a theme. However, before I install that theme, I want to prepare some of the copy and content that I'm going to need to put on this site, which will make it much easier for me to learn how to put it together. So it's a good idea to go ahead and create a folder on your desktop or in your document section. Now what I've done here is I've created a folder on my desktop, and it's called FSE for Full Site Editing Tutorial Folder. I have my site copy here and my photo and graphics here. I've chosen several different photos for what I want to eventually write articles about for this site. One of the things you want to do is prepare your photos. Now you can see here that I have several photos that are listed with the photo, just the number from the photo card. Now, some of them I've gone in and I've named them. This is one of the ones I want to use, so I'm going to right click it, and somewhere there it says rename. So I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to rename this Dragonfly. This is helpful, especially if your folder is not set up to show thumbnails of all your photos. It may be just a list view, and this way you know which ones you're looking for. Now, we'll go up, and you can see I've used a text editor. I'm using a free open source text editor. And I have written my copy here. I have my title and my paragraphs, another title, my paragraph, and another title and my paragraph. Now these are pretty short, and I probably will add to it, but I purposely left them partially done so that we can go back and edit, because one of the things you're going to need to learn is not just how to create a website. I want to show you, after you've created it, how to get into a website that's already been built and move things around, change things, edit things, and that sort. So I've purposely made these two pretty short because there's a lot more I can add to that. So another thing that you're going to want to create ahead of time is your logo and your favicon. I created these in Inkscape, and there's lots of wonderful tutorials on how to do both of these in many different programs. But if you want to learn how to do this in Inkscape, go to TJ Free. I will link his channel in the description box below. He has some really great videos on how to use Inkscape. I'm ready to go ahead and install my theme.